Welcome to this episode of Sanskrit Bites. So in this video, we're going to have a look at some of the chakras because these are commonly used words in Sanskrit and some of them are pronounced in quite a specific way. I've looked at Agnya separately because it's a really complex way of pronouncing this compound sound that happens in the middle of that chakra. So that video is on its own, and then we're just going to have a look at the first three in this video, and then there'll be a separate video with the other remaining three chakras. So the first thing to look at is actually the word chakra. So it's written in English with CH because it's actually pronounced as a ch sound. In Sanskrit, this C sound is always pronounced as a ch sound, so we don't need to put the extra H in. So when you see it written in the transliterated form, it's just the same thing but without the H, but that is inherent in that sound. Short A's, chakra, chakra, chakra. So the k sound is right in the back of the throat, so it's a retroflex sound. Guttural sound. So chakra, chakra. So that's the first thing to look at. And then we are going to look at the first of these chakras, the root chakra, mūlādhāra. So mūla, and then the aspirated form, and they're long vowels, mūlādhāra. So each of the first three vowel sounds are long, so they're pronounced a lot longer than we might normally do with a shorter vowel sound. And then we just have this sound here, which is an aspirated D sound. It's a dental sound, so the tongue comes slightly between the teeth. Mūlādhāra, and that last A is short, so it's the sound. Mūlādhāra, mūlādhāra. So it's quite straightforward, and actually it's very similar to how we would probably pronounce it in English anyway. So now we're going to have a look at the second chakra, which is the Sacral Chakra. And this one's a little bit trickier because it's got some retroflex sounds in it. So it begins with svā, which means of the self. Then we have di, and this is a dental D, so it comes in between the teeth. Then we've got two retroflex sounds and an aspirated sound as well. So we have svā, di, and then the S and the T go to the roof of the mouth, but the T sound is the aspirated version. So svādiṣṭhāna, and this is a long A as well here. Svādiṣṭhāna, svādiṣṭhāna. So quite a tricky one to do. And then the final one that we're going to look at today is the fire center, or the Naval Chakra. As it's often called. And this also has a retroflex sound in it as well, but it's the nasal sound, it's the N sound. So again, short sounds apart from this, the U of Bora. maṇipūra, maṇipūra, maṇipūra. So those are your three lower chakra sounds. Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel to get updates of any new video uploads. You can also join the mailing list in the comments section below to get details of upcoming training days and courses for yoga teachers. See you soon.